Chiliz cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here essentially will, in every practical sense, give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Chiliz, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The Chiliz truly has in short order acquired exceptionally extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers most certainly are interested in looking through the inquiries like, is Chiliz a wise speculation? Is CHZ worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? What will sort of be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, which sort of is genuinely critical? How high could Chiliz at any point go in an unpretentious manner? Our aid will basically provide you with a thought of the Chiliz expected development and its cost expectation, all from most certainly profound specialized investigation to essential truly past cost outlines. Or so they thought. Chiliz past value examination, which for the most part is genuinely huge, as per unquestionably the most recent market information. Today the cost of Chiliz truly is 13 cents and CHZ fundamentally is at present generally positioned number 60 in the truly whole crypto market. The core supply of CHZ really is 6,718,673,350 with a market cap of $847,085,818 in most recent 24 hours. Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chiliz's cost basically has shown a decent increment of 4.09% as of now, or so they really thought. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Chiliz truly was an excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 17.08% in a sort of large manner. CHZ has shown exceptionally in every way that really matters. Solid for the most part potential, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and put resources into a genuinely enormous way. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of CHZ basically has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, taking out an astounding normal cost of 1 cent from its in every practical sense current cost in an unobtrusive way. This unexpected genuinely descending development certainly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, and it can especially be a great generally purchase and open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is around 6.33%, and the value sort of course from a truly least genuinely normal worth of 10 cents to truly most extreme really normal worth of 12 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days, which truly is genuinely huge. Chiliz basically is somewhere near 53.01% with the very greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin generally was around 27 cents in the base in every practical sense. Normal cost of generally was around 24 cents in beyond 4 months. Chiliz value gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We anticipate future CHZ cost expectation. Chiliz figures by applying profound fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Chiliz. We sort of give our all to by and large gather most extreme verifiable information for the CHZ coin, which truly incorporates sort of different variables like truly past value, market cap, volume, and more in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you especially are focusing on sort of put resources into digital currency market, try to peruse our expectations in a sort of significant manner most certainly. Chiliz value expectation for 2023 as per our figure. In 2023 the cost of Chiliz by and large is supposed to reach at the very least value level of 12 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a really greatest worth of 14 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Chiliz sort of is generally anticipated to basically reach at an especially least worth of 19 cents in a fundamentally enormous manner. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 22 cents with the kind of typical exchanging cost of 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz value conjecture 2025 to 2026 the cost of Chiliz is generally anticipated to basically reach at least degree of 27 cents in 2025 amazingly. The Chiliz cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 33 cents with the typical cost of 27 cents all through 2025, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The cost of Chiliz especially is for the most part anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of 38 cents in 2026. The Chiliz cost can fundamentally arrive at a greatest degree of 46 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 40 cents all through 2026. CHZ value expectation for 2027 Chiliz cost fundamentally is estimate to basically arrive at a practically the most minimal degree of 57 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at a greatest degree of 67 cents with the truly normal figure cost of 59 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. CHZ value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of CHZ. In 2028, the cost of Chiliz fundamentally is gauged to truly be at around a truly least worth of 83 cents. The Chiliz value worth can basically arrive at a limit of 99 cents with the truly normal exchanging worth of 85 cents in USD in a significant way. Chiliz value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Chiliz especially is supposed to reach at an exceptionally least degree of $1.20 in 2029. The CHZ cost can sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of 1.40 with the fundamentally normal cost of $1.23 all through 2029. Or so they in a real sense thought. Chiliz value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the estimate and certainly profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Chiliz in a real sense is supposed to reach at a for the most part least value worth of $1.69, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The CHZ cost can generally arrive at a for the most part greatest value worth of $2.10 with the sort of typical worth of $1.74, or so they really thought. Chiliz value expectation for 2031. The cost of Chiliz is supposed to by and large reach at a genuinely least worth of $2.37 in 2031 in an especially huge manner. The Chiliz cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest worth of $2.90 with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $2.46 all through 2031, which is very critical. Chiliz value expectation for 2032. Chiliz cost is gauged to in a real sense arrive at an outright most minimal especially conceivable degree of $3.34 in 2032, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest especially conceivable degree of $4.14 with the typical conjecture cost of $3.47 in an especially enormous manner. What is the Chiliz cost today? Today, the cost of Chiliz basically is 0.13 with the market cap of $847,085,818.000 in a significant manner. What will sort of be the CHZ most certainly the most noteworthy anticipated cost for 2023? The most noteworthy determined cost for CHZ generally is supposed to really arrive at a very greatest worth of 14 cents toward the finish of 2023. What will be the Chiliz outright most elevated really anticipated cost for 2024 in a by and large enormous manner? The most elevated determined cost for CHZ is supposed to by and large arrive at a kind of greatest worth of 14 cents toward the finish of 2024, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. How extremely high can Chiliz go? The typical cost of CHZ could reach to 13 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it sort of is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the 59 cents mark, which essentially is very huge. How much will Chiliz for the most part be essentially worth in 2030 in a significant manner? As far as cost esteem, CHZ especially has an exceptional really potential to reach new ATHs. It is estimated that Chiliz will increment in